So in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record your phone. There are two ways of doing this. You can do this right from your phone. There are some phones that have a pre-installed screen recorders. So I will show you how to do this using your phone, a pre-installed app on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to do this using an app from Play Store. So to record your screen is very easy. It's a straightforward thing. So if your phone has it pre-installed, how to know if your phone has it pre-installed? Swipe down your phone, go down, you can see mine has it installed. It says screen recorder. So once you hit on this screen record, it records everything on your screen. So another way you can do that, you can go to Play Store. If you're using an Apple phone, you go to the iOS store. So here you can search for screen recorder. There are so many of them. You can select any one on this list and install on your phone. In my case, I already have an installed screen recorder from Play Store, so I'm going to just launch it. This one is not the one that came with my phone, it's the one I installed from Play Store. So let me just launch it. So it's called eRecorder. So here we can now you can see that from here you can now start recording your screen. How do you start recording your screen? You see this icon this video icon. Once you click on, okay, it says to record videos and take screen, please allow us to access media. Okay, so you click on this allow them to access your media. Then once you want to start recording, you hit on this button and you can now start recording your screen. You can see it has a stop button, a start and stop button. That's a start and stop button. You can also, once you click on this button, it will start recording your screen. But I'm not going to do that. It says start. I'm not going to do that because I'm already recording my screen using a pre-installed screen recorder. So in your case, once you hit that button, it starts recording. You can also capture your screen, like you can screenshot your screen using this very app. So I hope this was helpful and it was straightforward. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I urge you to do that using the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to get videos like this each time I publish it. So having said that, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.